In the beginning, spectator freely choose a card. The magician put the spectator card in the middle of the deck, and when he snaps his finger, the color of the spectator card changes, and this is not the end. With just a snap, all the cards become the face-up except spectator card. You disappear a spectator card and replace it with your own card. Hey guys, this is Rajabi, and in this video you're gonna learn 3 world best card tricks that you can't believe it, that they are so simple. Let's check it out. In the beginning, a spectator freely choose a card. The magician put the spectator card in the middle of the deck, and when he snap his finger, the color of the spectator card changes. After we show the spectator card, they put it aside and we ask another person to tell us to stop. Whatever the second person card was, we say that the same thing is going to happen again. After snap, you realize no card has changed color between the cards, and at that moment you will notice that the card of the previous spectator has changed. Well guys, to do this trick, you need the card from another deck. And you need exactly the same card from the same deck. And this is the setup and nothing else. You ask the spectator to choose a card. After seeing the card, you start putting the card on the table. Wherever the spectator says stop, you put his card there and put the rest of the cards on it. For that moment, you just snap your finger and spread the deck. And tell the spectator the color of your card is changes, and they collect all the cards before the black card and put them on the top of the deck. As you can see the situation, the spectator card under is the black card and you must return both cards together. If you are not a pro, just take a break of 2 cards before you turn over. But if you are the pro magician, you can turn over however you want. Anyway, after show black card as a spectator card, put it aside and tell another spectator to say stop as you cut in the cards. But you don't take a bottom card, because you must to force it to the second spectator with this way. Whenever they say stop, you just turn over a whole deck and show the last card. That's it. And this moment you tell them the same thing happened. I snap my finger and the color of your card will change. And this is the beautiful moment. When you not find the spectator card in the deck, you close the deck and tell them it's happened, but not like as we expect, and you turn over the black card. And this is the wonderful moment for them. Okay guys, this is the simplest but the most awesome card tricks you can do. After the audience freely choose a card, you put the card between the deck and you tell them when you snap your finger, your card jump up on the deck. When this did not happen, you say there might be the second card, maybe not. And in this moment, you tell them, I find it with another way. I snap my finger and all the cards face up except your card. Alright guys, this is a very simple trick. You just turn over the 3 cards from the bottom of the deck. That's all. And when the spectator choose their card and want to look at it, you must return the deck. All you need to do is put their card in the middle of the deck and turn over the top 2 cards and spread all the cards. That's it. Spectators say stop and see their card. The magician starts shuffling the card in the many ways. After final cards, magician turn over the top card face up and ask a spectator, "Is this your card?" They say no. Magicians put that card aside, do one more cut, and tell the spectator, "I'm sure this is your card, but I want to transfer it to another location." The card is transferred to the first card that magician put it aside. Okay guys, this is a simple trick that all you need to do is follow my instruction. After the spectator freely choose a card, you need to control it to the top and keep it on the top. That's it. I teach you before this control. No matter how you mix the cards, be careful not to change the top card. After that, you turn over the top 2 cards together and tell them, "Is that your card?" And they say, "No." You say, "Alright, I put it aside, and with one more cut or shuffle, I can find your card." In this moment, you need to vanish the card that the way I teach you. You should hold the card at this angle with your index finger and thumb, and put the card back like this. And you should to do this when your other hand comes to take a card. After you vanish the card, tell the spectator their card change, place it. These are the world's best card tricks. As you see, they are so simple and you can do it for your friends and family and you get them. If you enjoyed this video, put the like below and let me know in the comment what you want to see in the next, and if you want to see a more magic trick like this, you can see it in 3, 2, 1.